Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everybody's having a great day today. It's 72 and beautiful outside today, and I'm here for it. Yesterday was miserable and rainy. Tomorrow we've got some more storms and rain coming through, so I figured I'd go ahead and get my grocery run done for this week while it's such a beautiful day outside today. The dogs have been sunbathing all day long. They just got done eating their lunch, well, their snack, so they went back outside. They're just living their little best life out there. They're having fun. Currently running back and forth in the backyard, so yeah. Some of the things that we're going to pick up today are just fill-in items that we're out of, like some fruits, some vegetables, some of the things that we need to get for my daughter for school, like Gatorades. Hopefully they will have them because it is kind of hit and miss on some things in our store, especially like Powerades, Gatorades, or flavored waters in particular. So hopefully they will have some of those. Some of the things I'm going to see if they have because there's some things that I want to try. So hopefully they will have those. Yeah, I've got my coffee. I'm currently waiting for my daughter to get home. This is I have been sipping on this all morning. This is the Chobani coffee that I shared with you in the last video. It's really good. I'm trying to drink it up because, I don't know, I just kind of like making my own coffee. But it's really good. So if you like Chobani and you like it already pre-mixed, it's really good, and I'm sure you will like it if you haven't already tried it. So yeah, I've got my coffee, waiting on my daughter, and then we are going to head out to the grocery store. We're only going to go to one store. We're going to go to Walmart today, so I'm going to try to get some footage for you guys in there because I just want to show you what the shelves look like in the store, see if there's anything new in the store, what kind of spring stuff they have out, stuff like that. So hopefully it's not packed and it's pretty well stocked. Let's hope so. But anyways, let's get this going. Let's get everything situated, get my daughter ready, and let's go to the store. Okay guys, so we're going to start over here with the meat like we did last time, so we can go ahead and get that out of the way and put in the refrigerator and the freezer. So I've got some better cheddar sausages here. My daughter wanted some of this salami, so we picked that up. Got 2 pounds of ground beef, some chicken thighs just for meals and things like that. They didn't have any chicken breasts, but we did end up just getting this, so I'm going to go ahead and put these up, and then I will move on to the next set of the groceries so that way this doesn't go bad. Okay, so I went ahead and put all of the meat up just so it wouldn't go bad. So we picked up some of these. Alani knew they had some new flavors. They had this, and I think it was called blueberry or breezeberry that my daughter picked out. So we got 2 of those. Got some Gatorades for her school lunch. She wanted some of this mango dragon fruit drink mix. Picked that up. Some more iced coffee. This is the vanilla latte. Got some more chips back here, some almond milk, some more tomato paste. She also wanted this, so I figured, yeah, go ahead and get it. Won't hurt to try it. Got some spaghetti and some taco shells for taco night. Wow, picked up some more parsley. Got 2 bundles of parsley. Got some zucchini and some squash just for some side dishes for some dinners this week. Got some more unbleached all-purpose flour, some mushrooms. I forgot what recipe this is going in, but picked some more of that up. Got some cosmic brownies for my daughter. She wanted these, so picked that up. Some crinkle cut French fries, and these looked pretty good, so figured I might have these for breakfast or something, or a dessert, so got that. Got some bananas. I like to eat these for breakfast or like a snack or like a light lunch. Some tomatoes. Got this for the salads that I've got, which are back there. I also got some more Mio, some lemons, some shredded lettuce for tacos, and picked up this sweet kale chopped salad kit. That looks pretty good. We also got the Southwest. We got 2 of these Motor City pizzas. I got the Supreme and the pepperoni. They looked really, really good, so I got 2 of those. Some more pasta sauce for pasta night. And I picked up some more maple syrup. This stuff right here is really good. And I got some more date syrup. I like putting this in coffee or on pancakes. You can put it whatever, on whatever you want. So I got some of that. Got some more blackberries and blueberries. Some pepper jack cheese slices. Some string cheese, a provolone. Some more butter. My daughter wanted these chips to try, so we got some of those. I got some of these pork skins because I give these to the dogs for treats, or sometimes we'll like snack on them or whatever, but most of the time I just use them for dog treats. I got 2 cans of hominy. I got white hominy and golden hominy, 2 cans of cheddar cheese soup, 2 cans of beef consomme, 2 cans of French onion soup because I want to try Tamara's recipe for her French onion burgers. Her YouTube is Southern Wife Everyday Life, so if you want to go check that out, she's got a few of those on her channel, and give that a try because I really want to try that. Got some Rotel and some black olives. We also picked up some ice cream. I just got the Rocky Road. I'm basic when it comes to ice cream. So I got the Rocky Road, and she got the Cherry Garcia. And we just picked up some sandwich bread and some burger buns for the French onion burgers. And yeah, that is all we got for this grocery run. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of these up and get everything situated and cleaned up. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. I love chit-chatting with all of you. And if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I upload twice a week, every Monday and Thursday at 7 a.m. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.